What is good, YouTube? We got another unboxing and review. It's been a little while since we did one of these. It just kind of just depends when I get things in. This is a little bit of a late shipment, so I know when you see this video coming up, I understand just you know, when Fullsend sent this out a long time ago in May, DHL e-commerce sent it all the way out to Germany. It was like a big postal problem that they had with Canada-bound shipments. So, but anyways, we finally got it today, and it was a pretty fun drop from May. It's been so long that I kind of almost forget, but yeah, we did do the March drop, I think, video a long time back with getting the flannel. I went a little less crazy on this one, and let's get straight into it. All right, and first off, we got a hoodie. You know, I haven't seen them do many Nelk Boys designs. Usually they do just Fullsend and stuff. It's almost like a collegiate hoodie, like it's got college vibes on there. Yeah, do you have college vibes here? You see the color scheme? Do you recognize something?
Hey man, I don't know. I can't find maybe like Oakland A's or something, or
maybe just Oakland A's. Or,
yeah, no, we don't, there's no other team.
Yeah, definitely not.
No.
Yeah, I really got it because it's our high school colors. Green and gold, and I thought it was just super cool. I don't really have a color, this green and gold, other than like high school shit inside there, so it wasn't overpriced like some of the other hoodies. So really nice quality, actually, really soft and stuff. I got this in XL. Usually I size up in the hoodies, but that's just usually me. It is 70% cotton, 30% polyester, and this one is made in China, so not made in Canada like a lot of their shit actually is made in Canada. And yeah, it's a really nice hoodie. We'll have it on myself later. We'll have some B-roll as well included. And yeah, it is super cool. Really like this one. They've been getting a lot better lately with clothing quality. So yeah, really nice. And the one final item just to round off today, it's not a big haul like I said. It is a golf brush. I just wanted to add something in because I didn't think the shipping was worth it with getting one thing. So yeah, I do have some Fullsend golf stuff in the past. I have golf balls, the tees. I think that's about it. They actually came with like driver so covers and stuff, and even a golf and putting mat. So pretty cool. Just got Fullsend golf ripped all around the box. Package contains one high quality golf brush. It's got the Nelk Boys Fullsend.com design in California, and yeah, it's gonna be probably pretty simple. It's gonna be the golf brush, I guess. And yeah, it's actually a lot bigger, and I feel oh wow, that's really cool. It's got the Fullsend golf logo with the hockey sticks and the leaf there. This could hook onto your golf bag really easily, and it actually like you're able to string it back like that, and you're able to brush your clubs and stuff, which is nice. Nice little touch. I think this ran you 10 US, so pretty nice just to throw in, nothing crazy. I know the last time we did a Fullsend unboxing video, Angela had a lot of fun with me saying dope all the time, okay? I cut that out of my life, alright? So don't worry about it. But anyways guys, if you made it to the end of this quick video, thank you for watching. Don't worry, after the video we will have it like a try on of the hoodie, and there would have been some B-roll of this already. And yeah, and if you'd like to consider even leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, just helps us grow, and you know, helps us create better content. And even then, if you want to turn that post notification bell as well, just helps out a ton. And when I upload, you get notified right away. I do have the July drop on the way, so stay tuned. Maybe next week we might have that in a little small haul, like I said again, but we should have a video about that next week, so stay tuned for that. And anyways guys, that is a wrap from the Fullsend May Drop unboxing and review. Watch till the end of the video and you'll see a try on, like I said. We're signing off. Take it easy.